The company I was talking about, Paul, and maybe we can do a video on this. It's actually called, listen to this. It's called, have you ever heard of this, Mo? Bachoko?
No.
Bachoko. It's a poultry process.
What's the ticker symbol?
The ticker symbol is IBA. Bachoko, it's a
Industrias?
It's a poultry processing company. Headquarters in Mexico, Paul.
Oh, why do we have the data on it then?
Founded in 1952.
Interesting.
I was looking at the
less
PE.
than 1.
Yeah, I'm looking at this. It's
PE is
interesting.
0.5?
Yeah.
Should we look
What?
at this? Should we look at it?
Let's just do this. Let's do the 8-pillar screen.
Okay. Whoa, look at this, Paul.
PE of 0.55. Profit margin, X. Net income growth is down. Revenue growth is up a lot. So that's weird, guys. Why is it net income down and the revenue growth is up? Shares outstanding is the same. Assets over liabilities by a big number. Cash flow growth, huge. Price of free cash flow, 1.5. What the heck?
Los pollos hermanos.
Dividend yield of 38%. Okay, what's the catch here? What am I
what's the deal
missing?
here?
What are we missing here?
This is why someone brought it up. They sell eggs, Hosyan's saying.
Oh, Hosyan.
Oh, this is from Hosyan?
No, but Hosyan's joining.
Oh, yes,
okay.
Hosyan.
This stock is nuts, Jonathan's saying. Interesting. Do you want to start over?
No.
That's the content we bring you. No.
They have plenty of cash on hand to pay off all their debts, too. They have $18 billion left over. The market cap is... Okay, something's weird here.
Uh-huh.
IBA.
Maybe they're peddling meth.
Huevos
This is definitely Los Hermanos.
Huevos rancheros.
Yeah. You want me to do the technical side of it?
Yeah,
real
do
quick?
it.
Go
So-
ahead. Go ahead, Mo.
This is another one of those 50%. Oh, bid and ask difference is 66 cents. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this company, but
Giggity.
there's that middle area, and this is that resistance with all that overhang that is just pushing down on you, because people will start getting up to this level right here, and then they'll sell off and take their profits. They'll creep up there again, sell off, take their profits. So,
David's saying there's no trade volume with this company.
oh, well, that explains the bid and ask difference of 66 cents. So, because of that, I wouldn't do anything with it. But if you were so inclined, and because we're teaching, and I'm trying to teach you guys how to do this, what I would do if I saw this and the volume wasn't a concern is I would throw a tracker share on here, because I have the red line crossing through yellow and it's heading up towards this sweet spot. So once it breaks into the sweet spot, then I can go ahead and add shares.
There's an error.
Subsequently, you'll have green candlesticks coming up like this, and that's what you would do with this thing. So this would be a good stock of why you would put a tracker share on something, which is one share to keep it on your mind, see it every day in your portfolio, instead of putting it on a watch list and missing things. I would always forget to invest in good company or good trades without putting tracker share. So that's what I came up with, tracker share. Buy something for $40. Worst case scenario, the company goes under and you lose $40.
Go ahead, Paul.
There's something wrong with it. I always tell, when I heard it was a Mexican company, I'm like, I don't pay for data from other countries.
Mm-hmm.
There is something wrong in my data here because it's not showing the right data. It's still a very low PE and a very low everything.
Yeah, PE is 11, not 0.5.
Yeah, I'm looking at going still dividend yield, PE, price to book. Well, the good news is I actually like it more that the numbers are more reasonable.
Do you want to run it? This is intriguing.
Well, we don't have time. It's going to end in 2 seconds. They have more cash on hand. Yeah, this is pretty interesting,
Paul, let's get after it now. Come on, let's go overtime here. You're ready. This is the final one of the day. We got to push through. It's the fourth quarter, damn it. They need us.
Okay,
They're all
ready?
here. The company is IBA.
Okay, we're going back to Y charts here. PE of 11, check mark there. Profit margin 4%, which is an X. Dividend yield 1.75% on $2 billion is $35 million. So we want our free cash flow to be above $35 million.
35 mil for dividend. Okay.
Revenue growth over the last 5 years, the
Yep.
check 2.8 to 3.22. Check mark there. Net income growth 211 to 172. That's an X.
Uh-oh.
Shares outstanding is a check mark. It's basically the same. It's 50 down to 49.98. So I'm not going to even, that's a check mark there.
Shares is a check, okay? Current assets over current liabilities.
1.6 billion versus 400 million. And there's a total debts of 700 million. So they have 900 million left over. So the company was a $2 billion company, but you get 900 million when you buy it and pay off the debt. So it's really a $1.1 billion company. So now all the numbers, now the PE went from 11 to 6.
Even better.
Yeah, so this is
interesting.
yes, this is very interesting. I wonder why this is.
Was that shares outstanding? That was current assets. Is a check. How about free cash flow, baby?
You have to pull out your calculator here, Sethy.
This is a tough one. Go ahead.
12 million to 140 million.
It seems
check
like
mark.
it's going up.
Yes.
What about the middle numbers?
177, 80, 56.
Okay, the average free cash flow over the past 5 years is 93, Paul. 93 million.
On 2 billion is over 20. So it's an X technically, but remember, you're paying 1.1 billion because of the cash on hand. So it's around 12 times free cash flow over the last 5 years.
12 times free cash flow?
Yeah, when you take the net cash on hand.
That's a check for pillar number 8 then?
Technically it's no. Technically it's not. But if you factor in the net cash, it's technically an X. It is technically an X because we look at the market cap being 2 billion. Because we don't. Yeah.
What's an ADR, Paul? Longshot saying it's an ADR.
What's an ADR?
I don't know. It has no volume. Do not buy this, he's saying.
Oh, did he just say the average is 9,000 shares traded per day?
Average is 9K.
No,
yeah,
he's saying
that's
not
right.
900, not 90.
Not
IBA.
Interesting.
Oh, he's right.
What's he saying?
Average shares traded per day is 8,861.
By the way, that doesn't scare me. It could be, it just could be a good value play in
Berkshire
Mexico.
Hathaway is like, a different situation of price, but it's like 70 shares a day or something.
But again, when you buy foreign guys, you got to make sure, even when you buy local, you got to make sure you understand what the laws are in the country. Like, why is it? That's why I prefer to stay in the U.S. because we don't have a research team to go out there and say, maybe Hosian can be the guy who does the research for us.
Thanks so much for watching the video. We hope you were intrigued. If this style of investing speaks to you, click the link below to join our Patreon. As a patron, you get access to a wonderful community of like-minded investors where you can chat, connect, ask questions, and share ideas with badasses like you all over the world. The best part is you get the amazing Everything Money software. This is revolutionary, unlike any YouTube page. You can track your investments, look at stocks, and quickly run our 8-pillar analysis on any company you like. The top tier patrons get direct access to Paul and Trader Mo. You'll see their daily trades, their updated portfolios, and every options contract they write on a daily basis. We provide Patreon exclusive videos just for you, including live streams and exclusive content from our team. Our bottom patron tiers fill fast, so join today. But hey, if you don't believe me, look at all of our patrons' amazing success stories. In comparison to other financial platforms, our software is by far the best value. This is your chance to get serious about investing. If you're finally ready to level up your investing game, join our Patreon and let's start kicking ass together.